So, it's December. You probably have a little time off. So in between the mistletoe and the eggnog, you might want to do a few things around your home. My name's Doug Perry. I'm a real estate broker with Compass in Bucktown, and I want to share a couple of points from a great article. So here we go. 4 easy-peasy must-dos for homeowners in December. Quick and easy tasks that'll brighten up your interior. This article is brought to you by House Logic, which is by realtors. So there are 4 easy-peasy must-dos. I'll just share one or maybe even 2. If you like what you hear, you can click the link in the show notes and read the rest. December, the year is coming to an end. Time to do 4 small tasks for a bright and money-saving new year. Number 1, clean light bulbs and fixtures. 2 great reasons to clean your light bulbs. You want as much light in your house as you can get as the days grow shorter, and you'll save money. Dirty bulbs apparently shed 30% less light than clean ones, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. White bulbs with a cloth dampened by a mix of 1 ounce dish soap, a 1/4 cup white vinegar, and 3 cups of water. Get to it December 1st so you're ready for the curtain fall on the shortest day of this year, December 21st. Number 2, evaluate your homeowner's insurance. Now, the holidays, you love them, but they do seem to eat up more cash than other times of year. Sure, you can scrounge around for change under your couch cushions, but that's not going to offset much. Why not get a home insurance checkup? Call your agent to go over the type of coverage you have, how much you really need, and how you can lower your premiums before your next monthly installment. Now, there's a couple of other interesting tips. I won't read them, but I'll give you the headline. Pack a home emergency kit. That's number 3. And number 4, buy holiday lights after December 25th. So I hope that you found value in that. Once again, my name is Doug Perry. I'm a real estate broker with Compass in Bucktown. If you want to reach me, it's real easy. Just call or text me at 312-572-9801, or you can message me on the app that you happen to be on right now. And you can always email me at doug.perry@compass.com. I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to meeting you even more.